Marthedal Solar Air and Heating is the premier San Joaquin Valley contractor for air conditioning, heating, and complete solar solutions, installations, repair, and service since 1976. Looking for a furnace installation in Fresno, California? Marthedal Solar Air and Heating is a heater and air handler replacement expert. Installation is crucial when it comes to a furnace's effectivity and longevity. We suggest getting it done by a professional, especially for a much overlooked part of your home, such as the heating system. But when is it time that you get a furnace replacement? Oftentimes we need a furnace installed specifically because we need to switch out an old one. It's time for retirement. But the reasons can vary from malfunctions to reduced functions to just wanting a shiny new heating system. Whatever the case is, we advise upgrading your heating system about every 10 to 15 years. And some advice that we give is when getting a new furnace, you want to make sure that you browse the latest models, because the more recent the make, the more energy efficient and the lower your utility bills will be. If you're looking for a professional furnace installer near you, consider Marthedal Solar Air and Heating. We are a complete residential and commercial heating contractor in the San Joaquin Valley. We do installs, repairs, and general servicing for all your entire home comfort system and all the components involved. Call us today or visit our website to learn more.